Yeah, man, I hear you. I hear your kid up there.
Ah, sweet, dude. Nice save. Oh, my Moby glass is working. Tight.
Oh, 6. That's not broke.
Yeah, I think it was the.
Where do you want to go?
Oh, wherever is cool with me. Grimhex, maybe. Probably the safest place.
Do you want to go? Well, do you want to go hit up a fucking security depot or so?
Yeah, that'd be cool. I gotta get armor though, right? Oh, I should be able to change it now, right? Let me see. It should be
I'm not sure how it works. I've never made it out.
Oh, you haven't? Let me see. I should be able to.
I always end up slipping off some rock to my death.
Yeah, it can be tough. Let's see. Quit manager. Undersuit. Oh, nope. I don't have anything. I think I gotta go to like
Oh,
a
shit.
landing station. Maybe Grimhex.
Yeah, we gotta get you some gear.
Nice
You
save,
sure want
bro.
to go to Grimhex? Why not Levski?
Oh, whichever's fine. There is that elevator glitch at Grimhex.
What's that? Double?
Nice. Let's see if I can co-pilot this. This is the freelancer, right? I have one of these.
Yeah, man.
Tight. Oh no. I'm glitching. Or crashing, maybe. Ah, damn. This is actually what happened to me last time when I got out. 30K. Yeah, I think I crashed, son of a bitch. Ah, fuck. Can you still hear me? I think the whole thing crashed. Ah, balls. Yep, there it is, 30K. Can you hear me?
Yeah, man, what's up?
Nice. That's what happened last time I escaped at 30K.
Oh, yeah, for sure, man. Those things are wild.
Yeah, these glitches are great.
Do you see that fucking square on the planet there?
This
Like left side? It's like left, directly left on the left side of the planet there.
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay, what the fuck is that? Okay, I thought that was just my fucking game bugging out.
Oh no, that is it. It's like a square. Maybe there's loot there.
I wanna go check it out later. Let's... Oh, I don't know. Oh, I've never seen it.
Inmate stuff. Nice. No, I've never seen that before either. Cool. Yeah, these freelancers are great. I stored mine up with a bunch of Space Mac, a bunch of like ETAM, and I went to do a mission. It sunk like 60 grand into it, and then I blew up my ship on landing, and there goes all my Space Mac.
Oh, I've done that, man. Just get a full ship and crash into the state.
Oh, I know, awful.
Dude, what the fuck is this? I gotta restart, I swear, I can't quantum it.
Are we being shot at? Oh, that's the thrusters.
Yeah, they're kinda sparky. I think I bounced off the planet a bit.
Hey, that was a good
Quantum travel engaged.
run and gun.
Quantum travel complete.
Yeah, apparently if you got a little fucking tube there, the, what do you call it, the turrets can't shoot you.
Oh, nice. Did you get a crime stat for picking me up?
Yeah, it's just one or whatever, so it's not bad.
Oh, nice. Mine's gone, I think.
Serious?
I don't see it. I'm sure it's still there, but I just can't. Let me move it back to the chair. No, yeah, I don't see it. I'm sure it's just a bug. I'm sure it's still there. Well, maybe if I go to my Mobi-Glass.
Check out if you can quantum the left key. I can't do it no matter what.
Sure. Yeah, I don't see a crime stat. I must be glitching again.
I think you must be, dude, because I thought you're supposed to gain crime stat, right?
Yeah, I was at 4 too. Alright, let's see. Where are we at? Oh, let's see.
I might actually also be there.
Did you turn it off?
Weapon shields power.
Yeah, otherwise it would fucking slow right down when I got out.
Oh, okay.
Thrusters power low. Shields power low. Thrusters power low. Thrusters power low. Systems on.
What the fuck? There
Oh,
we
we're
go.
there, I think. I think we're too close.
Alright, where are we supposed to go? Oh!
Down to the planet. So you can get yourself some armor and whatnot.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Let's just slow down real quick. Which place did you want to go to? Levski?
Yeah, man. You can get yourself a hacking chip there and whatnot.
Nice. Slow down real quick.
So you have no crime stat. It's fucking bugger. So you don't even need it.
I'm sure once I log out and log back in, it'll be there. It says we're too close. How are we too close?
You might just have to fucking just use the regular thrusters, you know?
Oh yeah, hopefully we don't crash.
Oh, we fine.
This game is so freaking fun. Oh, I see it. What the hell is that?
Yeah, it's that little L shape or whatever, the H.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back to the land of the free.
Nice. Oh god. It's so heavy.
Yeah, you get too fast, you just gotta spin around and use the rear thrusters, you know? That's where the power's at.
Yeah. This is why I crashed. Came in too hot.
Did you just get it for the free week or what?
Oh no, I've been a backer since like 16, but I stopped like playing way back when. And then
Oh, okay.
I picked up an Area 51M, and I was like, let me just put it on here and see what's up. And holy shit, super addicted. All right, cool. Let's.
If the bugs don't fucking kick you out of it, then it's fine.
Oh yeah, but I mean that's like half the fun too.
Here, I'm calling up.
Oh cool. I mean, you could be on your way to make hella money or doing an awesome mission, and then you glitch out and wind up in prison.
Okay, wait, I gotta be sitting down apparently. That didn't work.
Did you join an organization yet?
Yeah, man. They don't really do anything yet, do they?
No, not really. Basically, it's just a little group. that.
Okay.
Oh, sweet! I see it. I made. You ever seen Firefly?
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I made a little organization. It's just like me and one other buddy, because we just started playing it after a while. Called Serenity. I was like, it's a perfect opportunity. Oh, there we go. Sweet. It was a successful prison break, and I got it on Twitch. Dope. You're the best. Oh, it's land. I don't think I've ever been here before. Is this where you buy flare?
Collision.
Yeah.
Landing successful.
What was it?
Touchdown! Landing complete.
Someone's hailing me. What the hell's hailing me?
At least you landed, so you're safe for now.
Yeah, for now.
You might have to. I don't know if this will change your spawn point.
I hope it does. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, it's a bit funky.
Is this a place where you buy the flare?
The what now, sir?
The flare?
Hey, what's the flare?
That thing around your neck. Your scarf?
Oh no, that's just the fucking armor, dude.
Oh, for real? Tight. I don't think I've ever been here.
No way, really? This is like my favorite fucking place.
Oh yeah, no, I've never been here. Fans of Willa as their resting home.
Oh yeah, that's what you're talking about getting hailed. It's some new AI shit.
Yeah, that's cool. God, I
You
hope
gotta
it.
see the fucking market here though, dude.
Oh, is it good?
I don't know, I think this is a cool city. This and Grimmex are sick.
It's like the underworld, basically, right?
Yeah, this is like another illegal outpost, basically, or
Love it.
not so legal, maybe.
I love it.
This is the no frame rate zone.
Oh, really? Bad frame rates? Bad frame rates? Oh shit.
Frame weight.
They did.
Yeah,
they
dude.
I went from like 70 to
See
15.
those customs, they impound all your frames on the way through here.
Yeah. That's great. They did. I went from like 70 to 15.
I know, just that one area. It gets okay-ish.
Yeah, I'm at like 30 something here. That's hilarious.
I don't know, man. They haven't fixed it in forever. I'd say things have been around since this place ever existed.
Nice. How long you been playing for? Oh, tight.
Oh, I don't know. 5 years on and off.
Nice. Yeah, we just
I'm
started.
like you, man. I just jump in every few big patches.
Nice. It's amazing. I've been stuck. Like I didn't even go to work last week. I was like, yeah, if we're canceling people, just go ahead and take me off and.
Yeah, dude, I'll work from home. Come on, man.
Oh, nice. Always wanted to work from home.